Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you have stopped by because you were curious what is in the December 2021 Allure box, then guess what? You are in the right place, and that is what I will be doing. Digging into this little bad boy and seeing if it's worth $23. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you are here because you love to watch people unbox Allure boxes, then boy oh boy are you in the right place. Alright, so this subscription box used to be $15. It's been a year now. Has it been a year? I think it went up in price a year ago. Wow. Where did 2021 go? Anyways, it's $23, which used to be really close to an Ipsy BoxyCharm, like $2 away. So with only 3 full-size products, it was a little like, oh, really? But now it's $5 off from that price point. So we shall see. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and see what is in this box. You do get a booklet, which is nice. Not all boxes do that anymore, which will have a description of the products as long as prices for the full-size version. In this box, we get 5 to 6 items, and at least 3 are guaranteed to be full-size. All right, what is this first item, which is quite heavy? I don't see anything. Okay, this is from BeautyStat. And this is a Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. And this is 1 ounce, 30 grams. It's deceivingly looks smaller than what 30 grams, the same as 30 ml. And I'm wondering if they're counting the packaging, which is quite hefty. Let's take a look here. Ooh, okay, she's creamy. I don't care for that scent. Oh, I don't even know if I want to swatch it because I think this is going in the giveaway just from the scent. It smells an awful lot like there might be rose in it. Let me grab the little booklet and see what they have to say. Alright, so the BeautyStat is a richly hydrating but light in texture. This is full size and it retails for 50 big ones. That's $50. I'm not seeing anything that indicates why it smells like it does. It does sound lovely and maybe I should give it a try. Just not today. All right, next item. What is this? We have a product from another brand I've never heard of called Neom. And it's Perfect Night's Sleep Magnesium Body Butter. Okay, when I saw sleep, I thought, oh, it's a face mask. But then they lost me with calling it a body butter. Wait, what? Card time. Oh, okay. It's like when you get in your bed, rub this onto your arms and legs to moisturize. Scented with relaxing lavender and sweet jasmine. As much as I don't like rose, I'm like equally on par with jasmine. Or not jasmine, with lavender. So let's, no, it's got that lavender scent. All right, guess what? Giveaway time. Did I already mention, speaking of giveaways, I am super close to hitting 700 subscribers, so make sure you're subscribed, a resident of the US, and like the video and leave a comment and I will enter you in that giveaway. Alright, what else came in this box? Ooh, okay, I see something from a makeup brand. This is from Floss. What are you? Ooh, an eyeshadow quad. I'm normally not that excited about a quad. Well, eyeshadow, but in an Allure box to get makeup and then an eyeshadow quad, that is rare. And welcome. Oh, yes. Okay, so these are very warm toned, very neutral, Wygo Warrior friendly colors. Let's do a little swatch here and see how good these are. The mattes are a little patchy. Not patchy, they're, what do they call it? They clumped, but I smoothed them out a second time. All right, so we got two shimmers, a really light one there, and then the matte shades. Okay, not mad at that at all. What does the booklet say that that retails for? And is that full size? Probably. This retails for $24 and is one of the full-size items. Okay, next item. What is this little guy? This is from Neolastin, and it's a Revitalize and Firm. Ooh, it's an eye cream. Let's see if it's too thick, because I don't like thick eye creams. Okay, doesn't seem to have a scent, or what's there is just like a very soft, just skincare scent, you know? Feels nice. I prefer serums for under my eye because I'm lazy. You pump. It's more liquidy. This, you got to unscrew the cap, peel off the little protectant, dip your finger. Do I use them? Heck yeah. Is it my preference? If I were to shell out my own money, I wouldn't buy this type, but I get a lot of this type in subscription boxes. So there's that. All right, what does this retail for? And is this full size? Question mark. The little booklet says this is the cashmere sweater of eye creams. That's a big statement. Holy cow. The retail price is $95. The question is this the full size? Shut up. How many? Hold on. How many mLs is this? Okay, so sample not for resale. So this is a sample. Although this is for an eye cream, this is 10 ml. That's a pretty good sample. How many, does it say how many mLs you get for full size at $95? It does not, but something will be on screen somewhere here because I will have looked this up. All right, well, it's bougie, or in my opinion, if something's $95, that's bougie. All right, next item. What do we have here? This is from Hero, and it's a lightning wand. A dark spot brightening serum. I have some serious dark spots. I think it's from not wearing sunscreen and having my window down driving. Why is it packaged like this? Hold on, I'm going to read before I rip open. Let me just make sure it's something I will actually use. Okay, yes, I will. This is, let me open it up. Very lazy girl approved. It's on a roller ball. Doesn't get any lazier than that. Just no cotton swab or anything. Just lid off, roll it on. Okay, yes. I think this is sample size. It's only 5 ml. And they list the price as 20. So I don't know if full size is 20 or if this 5 ml is 20 and it is full size. Something will be on the screen. Yes, okay. So it says, run the roller ball over areas of hyperpigmentation like sunspots or the dark marks that tend to creep up after blemishes heal. Don't use it on active breakout. This is for treating the hyperpigmentation that pimples leave behind. All right. I am excited to give this product a try. Okay, and the next item. Oh, we have a frequent flyer here. This is from Cetaphil, and it is a healing ointment skin protectant. Well, this size Cetaphil is a frequent flyer. This specific item, I don't think we received, but Allure, and also back when I did the Walmart beauty box, they used to love putting in this size Cetaphil. What is this product? All right, my little friend's gonna help us out here. So this is a skin protectant. It's for dry, chapped, or irritated skin. It protects and relieves. It's free of mineral oil, lanolin, preservatives, fragrance. It's suitable for babies. It's certified or accepted by the National Eczema Association. And it says it protects minor cuts, scrapes, burns, and helps relieve chafed, chapped, or cracked skin. So I don't think this is necessarily meant to rub all over your face, but maybe your hands, your knuckles, your whatever. All right, well, thank you, Allure. All right, and the last item I'm super excited about because, spoiler alert, I kind of already know what it is because very rarely, this is the first time ever, Allure sent an email and we got to log on and select our shade. So this is going to be from Miss Charlotte Tilbury, a Pillow Talk Lip Cheat. I got to select the shade Pillow Talk, which was nice because you know me. Usually when a lip product comes, it's like red or dark, something I will never wear. So this way I got to select the shade, and that is what Pillow Talk looks like. Let me swatch here. Ooh, a nice dusty rose nude. This will go with just about every lip look I sport, including the one today. I will spare you me struggling to put this on though. All right, well, let's recap what came in this box. We got a healing ointment from Cetaphil, a moisturizing cream, a dark spot brightening serum, a Revitalize and Firm eye cream, a magnesium body butter, an eyeshadow quad from Floss, and a lip pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, for $23, this is really good. I bet this Charlotte Tilbury pencil alone is probably $20, $21. Eyeshadow quad, yes please. Eye cream, hello. Moisturizer, normally I would be yes, but I don't really care for the scent. I am super intrigued to try this hyperpigmentation dark spot serum. Lazy girl style rollerball, yes. The two products, this I will keep. It will be every blue moon. You'll forget you own it. And then afterwards you're like, oh, why didn't I put it on my cuticles that cracked? Hopefully I remember. I don't care for the scent on this, but maybe if I put it on my feet or my hands, I can live with it, or it will be in a giveaway. I haven't decided. All right, I'm going to list on the screen the MSRP grand total. I bet this box has a pretty good value. All right, let me know your thoughts. I know Allure box can be polarizing, but I always feel I get my $23 worth. Otherwise, I wouldn't be subscribed. Okay, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, click the thumbs up, leave me a comment. Both those activities really do help my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.